Right, so let's see if you can solve this next checkmate in one. This one is much more complicated and it involves a discovered check, which is moving something out of the way.
It's very simple. Pawn takes e8 and turn it into a queen, which turn it into a knight.
You changed your mind, Neo.
Yeah, pawn takes knight and then under promotion it into a knight.
And do you want to take with the F pawn or the D pawn?
The D pawn.
And why do you choose a knight to under promote it to?
So that means you cut out the squares.
Which square in particular you keen on cutting it? Ah, so if we take here, promote to a knight, the knight prevents the king escaping. But how is that a check, Neo?
Because the rook is open.
Ah, cool. But why can't I just take this knight?
You can. No, you can. No, the rook protects it.
Ah, wow, awesome. Now, what is this thing here, Neo? What is that guy?
That is a blockade.
That's a traitor, isn't it?
Another traitor.
He's like, get out of my way, man. I need to get out of here. And he can't. All right, thanks, Neo. Well done. You get 100 points.